There is a lot of debate on the internet if this video is real or fake. Let me give you my opinion. The first thing that you need to understand is that the blood vessels in our neck are very prone to external injury. And in some people, the small bones at the base of the skull are enlarged and they are placed very close to the arteries. And when a violent movement like this happens, there is a risk that the bone might actually injure the artery and lead to something called a arterial dissection. This leads to decreased blood flow to the brain, which in turn causes stroke or seizure-like activity, which you have seen in the video. Therefore, if you ask me, I would never let anybody crack my neck again.